Hi guys, I'm Alfred, and today we are going to unbox the Lego Kai's Fire Dragon, the Ninjago Evo. But first, please don't forget to click subscribe and hit that notification bell to watch more of my videos. I did some do-it-yourself Lego people. There's heads, bodies, legs, and all the other parts. They have lots of designs to choose from. They've got accessories too. I made 3 grandpas and 3 curly brothers. Woohoo! Now it's time to get the bigger one, so I grabbed a box of Ninjago. I saw Among Us too. Now it's time to pay. I earned points that I can use for my next purchase. I got my Legos. Now we are here at the Veggie Guys with my friend Elijah to help me unbox my new toy. It's also Elijah's first time to eat vegan food. Let's get started. Now we're gonna check the manual so we can start building the dragon. Elijah helped me a lot, especially with packs 1 and 2. Slowly getting there, so here's a drumstick for you. Wiggle, 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 ding, 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 ding. It's time for lunch. Vegan spaghetti paired with lemon cucumber drink. Yummy, 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 yummy. Slurp, slurp. It took us some time to build the first 2 packs. Busy, busy, busy. Bruh, I can do this. Kinda hard, bruh. 50 years later. Building complete. Here's Kai's Fire Dragon Evo. Now it's being inspected by the quality control managers, Angus and Malcolm. Sniff, sniff. Are we cool, Malcolm? Angus approved. Oh no, here comes rescue cat Thomas. I think he doesn't like it. No, Thomas, no, no, no! Just kidding, all good. If you haven't watched my Legoland Malaysia video, please click the link below. Thanks for watching. Adios!